In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a URL field in Airtable so you can store clickable website links right inside your records. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to Airtable. If you're not already signed in, simply click Login and enter your credentials. Once you're inside, open the base that you want to edit. It doesn't matter whether it's a project tracker, a content calendar, or a customer database. From there, select the table where you want to add the new field. This could be a table for contacts, resources, or anything else you're organizing. Now, look at the far right of your field headers. Those are the column names at the top of your table. Click the small plus button that sits at the end of that row. A new column will appear instantly. In the field name box, type something descriptive, like website or link, depending on what you're storing. Then, you'll see the field type menu. Go ahead and click on it, and scroll down until you find the option labeled URL. Select it. After that, click Create Field or Save. And just like that, you've got a dedicated column for web addresses. Here's where the magic happens. Click into any empty cell inside that new URL column. Paste a website link, for example, https://example.com, or whatever URL you need to store. Then press Enter on your keyboard to save the link. Airtable will automatically recognize it and turn it into a clickable hyperlink. So if you or anyone on your team opens that record later, they can click the link and go straight to the page. A quick pro tip: always include the full https:// at the beginning of your link. Without it, Airtable might not recognize the address as a valid URL, and the link won't be clickable. You can use URL fields for all sorts of valuable references: websites, online documents, portfolios, onboarding resources, or even links to client projects. Since these links are clickable directly inside Airtable, they save you the hassle of copying and pasting every time. And for even richer records, try combining a URL field with an attachment field for images or a text field for additional notes. This gives you a complete snapshot of each item without bouncing between tools. You've now successfully added a URL field and stored a clickable link. Great work! That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.